Notice of reservation of all rights, legal assertion of protections and autonomy. Understanding the reservation of rights. The reservation of rights is a legal principle that allows individuals and entities to explicitly declare their rights remain intact, even when engaging in contractual or legal agreements. This ensures that no assumptions, presumptions, or implied contracts override an individual's legal protections. Key legal foundations for reserving rights. 1. UCC 1308, Performance or acceptance under reservation of rights. Allows individuals to engage in transactions without waiving legal protections. 2. Contract law, avoiding implied agreements. Prevents courts from interpreting actions as unintended consent. 3. Constitutional protections. Ensures rights under due process, free speech, and personal sovereignty remain intact. 4. Estoppel by acquiescence. Prevents silent acceptance from being used against a person in legal disputes. Example application. An individual is forced to sign a legal document under pressure, but they add without prejudice UCC 1308 to reserve their full legal rights and prevent implied consent to unfair terms. Issuing a notice of reservation of all rights. A notice of reservation of all rights serves as a formal declaration that an individual does not waive any constitutional, contractual, or legal rights. Key components of the notice. Clear statement reserving all legal rights. Reference to applicable laws, UCC 1308, constitutional protections, etc. Declaration that no assumptions or implied contracts are accepted. Explicit notification to all parties involved. Example notice format. I, your name, formally issue this notice of reservation of all rights under UCC 1308 and all applicable constitutional and statutory protections. I do not waive, surrender, or forfeit any rights, privileges, or defenses under law. Any transaction, contract, or agreement entered into by me shall not be interpreted as a waiver of legal protections unless expressly agreed to in writing with full knowledge and voluntary consent. Legal and practical implications. Prevents legal misinterpretations that could waive rights unknowingly. Protects individuals in contracts, legal proceedings, and financial transactions. Ensures full legal standing against government or corporate overreach. Conclusion. A notice of reservation of all rights is a critical legal tool that ensures individuals do not unknowingly waive protections in contractual or legal situations. By issuing this notice, individuals preserve their rights, demand due process, and prevent unfair obligations from being imposed through false presumptions or legal loopholes.